Hello and welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving into something super valuable. The top 5 certifications that can make your resume stand out in 2024. Whether you are a student, a recent grad, or someone looking to upskill, these certifications are a perfect boosting for your career prospects. So before I dive into this video, let me clarify one simple aspect. When I talk about the certification to upskill and boost your career prospect, it is your smartness to align these certifications to your existing degrees or your interest in your job profession. And that is what you need to take care of. But I'm sure these certifications are going to be a game changer for you when you kind of put it up in your resumes and CV. In today's competitive job market, having the right skill is crucial. These certifications not only enhance your resume but also provide you with the practical skills that employers are actively seeking. And the best part, they all are at a minimal cost under 5,000 rupees. So let's explore the top 5 certifications you should consider from the top institutes, from the top organizations like IBM, Google, and some top universities abroad. So the first certification that I'm going to talk about is a Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Data analytics is one of the hottest fields right now, and this certification will teach you everything from data cleaning to data visualization. Now let's understand the approximate duration for this certification. It's going to be 6 months. The cost under 5,000 rupees, and the platform is Coursera, wherein you will get the certificates from Google itself. This course is designed for beginners as well as professionals and provides hands-on experience with real-world data. Now let's move on to the second certification, that is HubSpot Content Marketing Certification. And if you're interested in digital marketing, this certification, coupled with another certification that I've listed in the description, covers content creation, promotion, and strategies. The HubSpot certification is 3 to 4 hours course. For beginners, it is absolutely free from HubSpot Academy. Link in the description. Most important part is when you couple it with the certification from Meta and Google. Link in the description. It is going to completely give your resume a boost. So do not forget to check that out in the description. Content marketing skills are high in demand. You all are aware. And this certification will give you an edge in the marketing world. Moving on to the third certification, that is IBM Cyber Security Analyst Professional Certificate. Now, IBM Cyber Security Analyst Professional Certificate, with cybersecurity becoming increasingly important, this certification covers key concepts such as threat detection and incident response. The duration for this certification is 6 months. Platform I have listed, it's there on Coursera, and the link is there in the description below. And this is a fantastic opportunity to break into cybersecurity field, which is again quite in demand. Then number 4 is the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Certification. As cloud computing continues to grow, having a fundamental understanding of Azure is incredibly valuable. The duration for this certification is 4 to 6 hours. And you can, the platform like Microsoft Learn and Coursera are the 2 major platforms through which you can get this certification easily done. This certification provides a strong foundation in cloud services and their benefits. Finally, we have edX Introduction to Python Programming. Python is one of the most versatile programming languages, and learning it can open doors to many tech roles. Now, the certification that I am talking about is around 6 weeks. Platform is edX, and I have linked it in the description. Whether you're aiming for a career in data science or software development, this course is definitely a must. Anybody who is wanting to get into software, this is a must course that is getting into Python programming. And there you have it, the top 5 certification to boost your resume in 2024. And these course offers valuable skills and are perfect for enhancing your employability. If you found this video helpful, and if you feel your friends, your cousins, your relatives need to know about these certifications, do not forget to share it with them. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. And most importantly, if you feel that there are certain aspects I can work on, please don't hesitate to share your feedbacks in the comments and let me know which certification you would prefer doing and why, so that all the community members can be helped. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.